Welcome back. Let's now talk about what happened in Poonch. In fact, two cops and a soldier were injured today on day 14 of operations in Jammu and Kashmir's Poonch. This is why, in fact, this is when they were fired upon by terrorists, when they had taken a Pakistani Lashkar terrorist to a forest belt to identify a hideout. The Pak terrorist has also been injured in the firing and, in fact, could not be taken out from the site due to the heavy firing. The 3 army jawans and a junior commissioned officer have been killed earlier in these ongoing operations. Let me straight go across to Sohil for who's joining us with more details here. Sohil, what more can you tell us as for all of these latest developments?
Well, it's a prolonged operation of security forces in Poonch district of Jammu region, because the operation of security forces had started on October 11 when they had inputs about the presence of terrorists in Dera Ki Gali area, and then subsequently this operation was started. But this operation has spread over some phases, because in the first phase there were killing of 5 army jawans, including a JCO, and then again 3 days after that operation, when security forces again went, they expanded their operation, intensified the search, and then 14th of October there was again killing of 4 army soldiers, and it included again a JCO again. And in fact, now the security forces had input because Zia Mustafa, who was the mastermind of massacre of Kashmiri Pandits in 2003 in Nadimarg area of Kashmir Valley, and then he was subsequently arrested in 2003. And in fact, police sources say that he was in contact with the terrorists, and he was taken to the forest area of Poonch again, in Mender area, and in fact to identify a hideout. But as soon as they reached near this hideout, there was indiscriminate fire on the security forces, as a result of which 2 policemen and 1 army soldier, they got injured. And in fact, the security forces could not retrieve the body of Zia Mustafa, who was the mastermind of the massacre that took place in 2003. So yet the body, as per sources, has been recovered by the security forces, but it's a prolonged operation which is still going on. As of now, no terrorist has been killed in this operation, but what we have got to know from police sources that there is presence of 2 groups of terrorists who have recently infiltrated in Poonch sector. And in fact, they are hiding in 2 areas. One is near Dera Ki Gali, and in fact another is Bataduria, which is basically another forest area in Mender area. So this shows that there is still presence of these terrorists in these forest areas, as a result of which security forces are being continuously targeted. We have seen from 11th of October till date, 9 soldiers, they lost their lives. They were killed in action, and in fact today as well, 2 policemen have been injured, and 1 soldier from Indian Army also received bullet injuries, and they were taken to the nearest health facility for advanced treatment. But still this operation is going on, and in fact more and more reinforcement has been called in to these areas to ensure that the terrorists who have infiltrated recently, they can be neutralized. Because yesterday when Amit Shah was in Srinagar, in fact he also questioned that why these operations are taking a long time, and in fact these are the dense forests where definitely it's a challenging task for security forces, but it's a prolonged operation. And in fact, the Union Home Minister himself has been questioning the security forces that it should not take a long time, because we have already lost 9 jawans. And again today, when this terrorist Zia Mustafa, who was arrested in 2003, was taken to identify a hideout there, and in fact again there was attack on the security forces. So given the fact it's a rugged terrain, difficult this whole area because of thick foliage there, but it has been a challenging for security forces. But since as I already mentioned, that a lot of reinforcement has been again called in, and operations have been intensified. So we'll have to wait and see how long this operation again continues, because there has been already a loss to the security forces in that particular area.